All right, our practice. So we're going to identify the correct solution or solutions that will make this true. So first off, we're going to take a look. Remember, this means 5 times t. We're going to replace that t with each of these numbers. So if you have 5 times 20, well, I know, or 20 times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 2 is 10, so that's 100. Is 100 bigger than 105? No. Remember, the big mouth is going to eat the bigger number, and it does not. It would rather eat 105, so that would be backwards. So it's not 20. How about if we have 30 times 5? 30 times 5. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 3 is going to be 15. Is 150 bigger than 105? Yes, it is. All right, let's see now. What if we have 45 times 5? 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 4 is 20. Plus 2 is 22. Is 225 bigger than 105? Yes, it is. All right, let's take a look at 21. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Now, this one, is 105 bigger than 105? No, it's not bigger. It's equal. So it does not have, if it did have that equal to sign under it, then it would be true. But since it doesn't, that means it is not true. It's not true. All right, let's take a look at the last one. If we have 65 times 5, 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. Yes, that is going to be bigger than 105. All right, so our answers here are B, C, and E. Awesome. Let's take a look at the right-hand side. So Lewis and Clark own a company that sells wagons. The amount they pay each of their sales employees in dollars is given by this expression here. 12 times B plus 30 times W. Where B is the number, or I'm sorry, that's an H. Woo, it's a cursive H. Where H is the number of hours worked and W is the number of wagons sold. So we're going to use this, and if we use that expression, we're going to figure out how much, what the amount paid to an employee that works 6 hours and sells 3 wagons. So first of all, we have 12H plus 30W. Now remember, this means 12 times the hours. This means 30 times the wagons. So we have 12 times H, and it says 6 hours, so we're going to put 6 here, plus 30 times the number of wagons, which is 3. Now, can I add 6 and 30? No! Order of operations, you guys. Please excuse my dear Aunt Schnaterbeck. Smiley face. All right, let's take a look at, there we go. Let's take a look at 12 times 6. We'll go from left to right. 12 times 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. 72. Bring down everything I didn't use yet. Do we still have any multiplication or division? Yes, we do. 30 times 3. 30 times 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9, so we get 90. Now, if we do 72 plus 90, 72 plus 90, 2 plus 0 is 2. 9 plus 7 is going to be 16. So we get 162, and that's going to be dollars. So $162. Woohoo! That is it for our practice. Great job!